minus I by 27. I by 27. So this is, here is 1 and here is also in the denominator 1. So LCM will take 3. So it is 24. It is visible. It is 24 minus 2 and then here 27. So 27 into 4, 28 and 4 2 is 8 plus 2, 108 and then it is I minus 1I or I, simply I. So we will write 22 by 3 and then it is 107 I by 27. So we can write it 22 by 3 plus iota into 107 by 27. So this is in the form of A plus IB. Here one more thing is, one important thing is left, so it is under bracket. So this is minus 1 outside, minus 1. So here we have to keep inside the bracket, so it is minus 1. And here again we have to multiply by minus 1. And here we have to multiply by minus 1. So this will become minus and this is also minus. So both will become minus, I think. So it is minus 22 by 3 and minus I into 107 by 27. So this is the answer and this is in the form. So this is just I have left. So for that I am very sorry. So minus 1, say we will have to multiply here and after that we will get it in the form of A minus A plus IB. So here A is equal to minus 22 by 3 and B is equal to minus 107 by 27. So hope it is clear to you. Thank you. And now we are coming to the next multiplicative inverse we will have to find out. So now here we have to find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex number. So question number 11. So let Z is equal to X plus IY. Then multiplicative inverse I am just writing multiplicative inverse of Z is equal to 1 by Z, provided that Z is not equal to 0. Z is not equal to 0 means Z is not equal to 0. 0 is also a complex number whose real part is 0 as well as imaginary part is also 0, but it is called purely real complex number. So here we have to find, so multiplicative inverse I am writing multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i, it is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3i. Then you will have to multiply by its conjugate and write down in a standard form. So make the habit to write down in the standard form. So 4 plus multiply its conjugate. So the conjugate of here is negative sign. So its conjugate will be 4 plus 3i and then here is 4 plus 3i. So 4 plus 3i into 1, this one. So 4 plus 3i, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So 4 square minus 3i whole square. So 4 square minus 3i whole square. So 4 plus 3i divided by 16 minus 9i square. So 4 plus 3i and in place of I square, if you will substitute minus 1, since I square is equal to minus 1, then you will get plus 9. Minus 9 into minus 1, it is equal to plus. So now after that I am coming from here to here. So 4 plus 3i or iota by 25. So this can be written as 4 by 25 plus iota I am writing first 3 by 25. So this is the answer of the question. So hope you will understand it. Now we are continuing. Here we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. Question number 12. Root 5 plus 3i. We have to find root 5 plus 3i and its multiplicative inverse. Let z is equal to root 5 plus 3i, or no need to write z also. So therefore multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i, it is equal to 1 by root 5 plus 3i. Now what you have to do, you know better. Root 5 plus 3i multiplying its conjugate, here is positive, so you have to multiply by root 5 minus 3i and root 5 minus 3i. So hope if you multiply in the numerator root 5 minus 3i iota, and here a plus b, a minus b, so root 5 square minus 3 3 is 9 I square. So just doing this and this, 3i whole square means 9 minus I square. So and I square is equal to minus 1. So substitute the value of I, root 5 minus 3i divided by 5. Root will vanish because of root 5 whole square. It is equal to 5 to the power 1 by 2 into 2 whole square means 2. So 2 cancels, so it is 5. So therefore it is 5, and then it is this is what, I square is equal to minus 1, so minus becomes plus. So root 5 minus 3 iota divided by 14. So root 5 by 14, and first I will write what, iota into 3 divided by 14. So it is in the form of a plus I, a minus ib, or you can write a plus ib because addition is, subtraction is a form of addition. How? Because if we will say that 5 minus 7, so we are subtracting 7 from 5, or we can say that we will add 5 plus minus 7. It means that we are adding 5 and minus 7. So addition, subtraction is a form of addition. So now I am coming to the next one, where we will have to find minus I is written here. The question is, just a minute, I will see the question. So here we have to find the multiplicative inverse of minus I. So multiplicative inverse, mi I am writing, mi is the name of the mobile company. I am not giving the advertisement for this. So this is here multiplicative inverse, okay. So of minus I, so it is equal to 1 by minus I. So now we have to, here the unit, here the conjugate is equal to, as we know that minus I square is equal to 1, okay. So we are multiplying, we are going to multiply numerator and denominator by just I. Why? Because if minus I is multiplied with I, we will get minus I square. So I by minus I square, and as you know that I minus I square is equal to 1, so I divided by 1, so I, okay. So this can be written as 0 plus I iota into, nothing is written, so 1. So this is in the form of a plus ib, and the answer is only, we can write I. So this is the multiplicative inverse. So question number 13 we have done up to question number 13. Now the next question, we are coming to the next question. The next question is question number 14. This question, express the following expression in the form of a plus ib. So all questions are very simple. We have to only simplify it, and we have to convert it in the form of a plus ib. So in standard form. So here solution. See here 3 plus iota into 5 and 3 minus iota into 5. So it is a plus ib and a minus ib. Suppose a is equal to 3 I am taking and b is equal to iota root 5. Okay, so it is a plus b in the numerator and a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So it is equal to 3 square minus iota into root 5 whole square. And here it is not the multiplications, and here is the subtraction sign. So root 3 plus root 2i, and now we will remove the bracket by changing the sign. Multiply by minus 1, so minus root 3 and minus plus I root 2. So plus root 3 and minus root 3 will cancel out. So now here is 9 and here is what? Minus I square. Root 5 square means 5. So this will, and here if you will add root 2i, this is also root 2i. So 2 root 2i. So now we can write 9 minus, in place of I square, minus 1 into 5 divided by 2 root 2i. So now 9 plus 5 by 2 root 2i. So now here 14 by 2 root 2i. So this we will cancel out. So 7 by 2 root 2i. Now we will rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. dr I am writing. So here 7i root 2 and then it is I square. As you know that I square is equal to minus 1. So substitute over here. So 7i by root 2 into minus 1. So it is 7i by minus root 2. So this can be written as, just see, so 7i minus 7i by root 2. So answer will be 0 minus iota into 7 by root 2. This is the answer. It is in the form of a plus ib, where a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 7 by root 2. So hope it is clear to you. And up to, so we have completed exercise 5.1 50, in which there are 14 questions. Only in one question we have in question number 9. So you will try to do by your own. I will also do it. So now we are coming to exercise 5.2 NCERT. So hope you are understanding and you are also enjoying method. If any type of difficulty, then you can comment also, because I am not getting comment from your side. And please subscribe the channel, like and subscribe, so that it will enhance our enthusiasm will come. So it is my humble request to you. So please subscribe my channel, Mathematics Rose, and like and share also to your friend circles. Thank you. Have a nice day.